Hey, what's up, creators? If you've ever stared at your follower count wondering, why isn't this number going up? Trust me, I've been there. Today, I'm breaking down how to actually grow your social media, with tips that even if you're starting from scratch. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. First things first, get super clear on your niche. I know everyone says that, but here's why it matters. When people land on your page, they want to know instantly what you're about. Are you a foodie? A fashion lover? Obsessed with productivity hacks? Make that crystal clear in your bio and your first 9 posts. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Next up, consistency. And no, that doesn't mean posting 3 times a day and burning out. Find a schedule you can actually stick with. Maybe it's 3 reels a week or 1 really good YouTube video every Sunday. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds community. Now let's talk about value. If you want people to stick around, you gotta give them a reason. That doesn't mean you have to be a teacher or coach. Entertainment and inspiration count as value too. Think, what would make someone save this post? Or, would I share this with a friend? If you can answer yes, you're on the right track. Engagement is your secret weapon. And no, I'm not talking about just replying to comments, though you do that. I mean actually starting conversations, ask questions in your captions, use polls and quizzes in your stories. Make your followers feel like they're part of something, not just spectators. Speaking of stories, don't sleep on video content. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, short-form video is where it's at right now. Don't worry about being perfect. Authentic beats polished every time. Show your face, share your journey, laugh at your mistakes. People connect with, not just your content. Last big tip, collaborate. Team up with other creators, even if they're small. Do lives together, shout each other out, or just duet their posts. It's a win-win, and you get in front of new audiences that already trust your collaborator. Okay, let's recap. Know your niche, stay consistent, deliver value, engage like crazy, lean into video, and find your squad. Growing your social media takes time, but if you show up as your real, awesome self, you're gonna find your people. All right, tag me in your next post because I want to support you too. Smash that follow if you want more tips, and remember, you've got this.